Hey everyone, Amy here, your Mac mentor, and today I would like to show you a few different shortcuts for taking screenshots on your Mac. Screenshots are great for when you need tech support and you want to show somebody the error message that you got, or just grabbing a screenshot of whatever's on your screen at the time. I use them a lot for tutorials as well. So here are all the ways you can capture screenshots on your Mac. The first command I'll show you is Command-Shift-3. When I hit Command-Shift-3 on my keyboard, then you're going to hear a little snapshot sound, and the screenshot appears in the lower right hand of my desktop. That captured my entire screen with one keystroke. The next one is Command-Shift-4. Now this is great for capturing just particular portions of the screen. So for example, I'm going to hit Command-Shift-4 and see how I get this little crosshair. So now I can click and drag a section of my screen that I would like to capture, and when I let go, there's the screenshot. And again, I see the preview in the lower right-hand corner. The other option when you do Command-Shift-4 is you can tap the space bar. And when I tap the space bar, it automatically highlights this section of my screen or this section of my screen. So you can tap the space bar in Command-Shift-4 to grab the portion of the screen that you would like. So it kind of neatly highlights the whole screen, and then I click and there is my screenshot. The third command is Command-Shift-5. So with Command-Shift-5, now I get a bunch of different options right here at the bottom of my screen. So I get the choice to capture the entire screen, selected window, or a selected portion. So you can see I've got these little handles. I can choose to record just a portion of my screen. And then not only can I just do a regular screen capture, but I can also have the option to record like I'm doing right now. And when you're in recording mode, you can also choose what microphone you would like to use or not. And you can choose where you'd like to save it. So this is helpful if you don't want your screenshots on the desktop, but you want to choose a particular folder for that resulting screenshot. So those are the different ways you can use your keyboard commands to make quick screenshots, choose where you want to save them, do screen recordings, and choose the sections of the screen you'd like to capture. And hopefully this will make your life a lot easier when you have that moment where you need to capture a screenshot. So have a great day, and I'll see you next time.